binalot pinning, candlelighting send-off, and testimonial ceremonies is a milestone in the academic journey of our pre-service teachers and most especially our hardworking and loving parents. The pin that you will be wearing today is just as simple. It is your first official stamp on the journey toward becoming an educator. It verifies your progress, marks your achievement, and reminds you that the road is solidifying, the dream is materializing, and the horizon is now within reach. For our parents out there who are like me, parents of college students, sabi ng magulang ko, ang edukasyon ang tanging pamana na maibibigay namin sa inyo dahil mahirap ng buhay. Pinaghirapan, isinulong, maraming sakripisyo ang ibinigay ng magulang para makita kayo na mag-teach. And they are very, very proud.
The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. This is the very heart of research and innovation in teaching.
You are part of your son's or daughter's success. To stand beside them in this occasion means a lot and speaks volume. You continue showing them support, love, and understanding. As the university president, let me take this opportunity to thank all the parents for choosing the University of Eastern Pangasinan as the institution who will mold your sons and daughters to be teachers someday.
At ang bawat kandila na inyong sisindihan mamaya ay ang liwanag ng inyong kaalaman at pag-asang dadalhin ninyo sa bawat silid-aralan.
To our 1,020 field study students and teaching interns, dear parents and guardians, thank you for joining us. Our CTA students, ladies and gentlemen, once again, isang magaling na hapon po sa ating lahat. Truly, UEP is ang galing. You're going to put it in reality, where patience is tested. Alam niyo, sa DepEd ngayon, hindi namin kinukuha yung pinakamagaling na teacher. Kundi, ang kinukuha namin is yung committed na teacher. We uphold the highest standards of professionalism. Kahit mabalik kayo, kahit umiyak kayo, kahit magalit kayo, remain professional. Uphold the highest standard of professionalism.
We face the same fears, celebrated always together, and reminded each other giving up was never an option. Congratulations to all of us. We all did it.
I believe in you all, kaya niyo yan, at siya. Gaano man kalayo ang bahay niyo sa school kung saan kayo magdidil, still malapit yan pag ang pagtuturo ay nasa puso ninyo.